Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on Food Chain TV. So I went to Costco today, went into that super cold fridge to look for some stuff, and I found these beautiful white mushrooms, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make some really nice stuffed mushrooms for my viewers on YouTube. So let's get right into this recipe. Here we go. So before we start, we got to go into stuffed mushroom theory, or stuffed mushroom 101, which is actually really easy. As long as you understand these 4 components, you can always make stuffed mushrooms. And those components are, number 1, the filler, which is usually rice. In this case, we're using breadcrumbs. Okay. Number 2 is flavor. So normally I want them to taste like garlic and salt. So what do we have here? We have, well, garlic salt with a little bit of parsley in it. The 3rd component is fat. In this case, I have some butter, but we can also use oil and or mayonnaise. Basically, the more fat that you can put in a stuffed mushroom, the better the consistency and the better the flavor. And last but not least, number 4, cheese. Now here's where you can get creative. We're using mozzarella because that's what I had on hand, but you can use any cheese that you can think of to make this recipe your own. So as long as we have these 4 components, the filler, the flavor, the fat, and the cheese, you can always make really good stuffed mushrooms. All right, so let's continue. I have some nice, clean, white mushrooms here that I got from Costco earlier, and we're just gonna process these. Now I have cleaned these, and if you wanna know how to clean mushrooms, you can check out my other video on how to clean mushrooms. Okay, but these are already clean. So what I want to do is hollow out these little mushrooms so that we can fit all the filling inside of them. Easiest thing to use is a melon baller. If you don't have a melon baller, you can use a little spoon. And if you don't have a little spoon, you can use a little knife. So basically what you're going to do is just very carefully take the stem out of the mushroom. Okay, just nice and easy. Try not to break the mushroom. Okay, there we go. Just twist and twist until it comes off. Okay. And now I'm going to take my melon baller, and you got to do this very gently so you don't break the mushroom, and just very gently kind of swirl it around in here. See, just shave off a little bit of the inside of the mushroom. Okay, so you're basically making a nice little bowl of mushrooms, of course, without breaking it. Okay, there you go. The key here is to handle these very gently. So you got to do this with a little bit of patience, and look at that. Okay. Now I'm going to use an air fryer, but if you don't have an air fryer, you can certainly use an oven. Okay, just put them in an oven-safe dish. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them right into the insert that fits into the air fryer, and it just happens to be the right size for a nice dish of stuffed mushrooms. Okay, so here is the insert for my air fryer, and we're just going to start putting the little mushrooms here. I've hollowed them all out. They're nice and clean and ready to be filled up with some goodness. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of mayonnaise on the bottom of each one. Okay, so just like that. Just a little squirt. Okay, so if you have squeezed mayonnaise, this will make your job a lot easier. Okay, so now each one has a little dollop of mayonnaise. Okay, next up, we're going to fill each little mushroom with breadcrumbs. And now to each of these little pieces, I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Just a little slice, just like that. Okay, if you don't want to use butter, you can also use olive oil. But the butter will add more flavor. Okay, we got this all buttered up. Now we're going to add the flavoring. Okay, here's my garlic salt. So just a little pinch on top of each one, just like that. All right, and finally, let's top each mushroom with as much cheese as we can fit on top. Okay, and it's okay if this is going to go and melt into the pan and kind of melt off the side and get crispy. It's okay. All right, now this is going to go into the air fryer at 400 degrees until that cheese is bubbly, golden, and crispy In my air fryer, this will take 10 minutes. Okay, we're about 10 minutes in, 8 to 10 minutes, and you can see they're getting beautifully golden brown. We're almost there. I'm just waiting for the middle to get golden brown, and then we are done. Oh man, I love air fryers. This thing only took 10 minutes. Check these out. Definitely looks worth it. Oh my god, look at these. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at how we fared. All right, we have a crispy top, nice melty cheese. Look at all that gooey inside filling. Okay, all the fat soaked into the breadcrumbs, and all that flavoring we put into here just makes it so good. All right, let me try this. Crispy and creamy at the same time. Cheesy. The cheese is all crusty and crispy on the outside. Guys, this is a perfect stuffed mushroom. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching and supporting my channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. The more subscriptions that I have and the more that you subscribe and like my videos and comment, the more time that I can spend making videos like these just for you. Until next time, this is Christian saying I'm going to eat a whole bunch of stuffed mushrooms. I'll see you guys on the next video.